Because dalam kes ni, this is the first case and it is done by the Attorney General himself to let parties see what actually is being discussed in the Pardons Board. Never before in the history that this is done. We have got a series of federal court cases, with the latest being the decision pertaining to Datuk Seri Anwar Ibrahim punya decision, where the court said keputusan yang di-Pertuan Agong dalam lembaga pengampunan ataupun keputusan yang di-Pertuan Agong berkenaan dengan pengampunan tidak boleh disangkal, tidak boleh di-challenge. Yeah, that means it is a power of mercy that is non-challengeable daripada dulu, tak boleh. Tetapi hari ini keputusan mahkamah mengatakan keputusan yang di-Pertuan Agong yang memberikan perintah addendum boleh diketepikan sebab dia kata mengikut prosedur dalam lembaga pengampunan, keputusan addendum itu adalah tidak dibuat semasa majlis pengampunan bermesyuarat. Alright? Jadi ini adalah satu ruang yang agak ditendang buka dengan begitu luas yang akan menjejas kuasa-kuasa yang di-Pertuan Agong dan Raja-Raja Melayu. Today's decision is opening the door for politicians to interfere in the Pardons Board decision. Because you must know there is a Minister of Federal Territory, there is the Attorney General involved, and there is altogether no more than 5 people are involved. And if you, today's decision will open the doors for the Pardons Board to be politicized, which has never happened before. It is a Yang di-Pertuan Agong's power, undiluted and undisturbed.